Welcome to Onroad Driving Education. Are you looking for disability driving lessons? With over 14 years industry experience, we can help you on your journey to independence and success. Do you need a modified vehicle? Speak with one of our friendly team members and they will gladly assist. Learn with the best. Let us lead you to your goal. You may be asking, why Onroad? Well, you see, we care deeply about our students. We are top-rated in the industry and we offer flexibility as well as affordability. Onroad is nationwide and now offering disability driving lessons in almost all states. We also work with most disabilities and work with all ways of funding management. We are a registered NDIS provider. Let us steer you in the right direction. The only NDIS partner you need for driving lessons. Let's work together. Learn with Onroad. Visit onroad.com.au or give us a call today on 1300 Onroad.